Today I'm gonna take you on a walk through Brownsville. I'm gonna try to do a solid walk around Brownsville. I got a little bit of time today. I'm gonna try to explain some of the history with hip hop and some of the writers that are from there. There's a few things to show. I don't know exactly what we're gonna come across. These are the Howard houses. The rapper Master Ace was from here. A lot of rappers are from Brownsville. I'm gonna get into that in a little bit. I think, more notable, the more common name you hear is Sean Price, the Buckshot, the Boot Camp Clique. They're all from out here. There's actually a Sean Price mural that Mears painted, but it's not in Brownsville. It's actually in Crown Heights. I don't know if I'm gonna make it there today, but it's a really great mural. It's like a real shiny sign as compared to the old housing authority signs. This is actually an old police station. I think at one point in time I actually was super curious to go explore in there. Then I think I know someone that did, and they're just like, it's full of black mold and it's just really bad conditions. And I don't know. At this point, I don't really have too much interest in, unless like the door is wide open, I'm not gonna go nuts trying to check that place out. And surprised it just hasn't been leveled at this point. There was a writer that wrote Too Mean. When I first ever came to Brownsville, I saw a lot of his stuff. He passed away like maybe 5 years ago. I don't know if we're gonna come across any of his stuff though, because I know a lot of it they cleaned up a lot of the areas that. Yeah, this is new. I never heard about this even being out here. Huh. I'm not really up on all that with the dispensaries and stuff, but I do know it's rapidly growing. It's a rapidly growing business in New York. It's a really dope piece. It's a PG. Peak, I believe, painted this. That's crazy. This Poest from ATL. Pretty dope. This is crazy. This is a fairly new wall, because I mean, it looks old, but I think from when I last saw this, it's an original diva. She passed away a few years ago. Crazy that this is here. I had no idea this wall was here. I think there was like another YNN wall around here somewhere that STEM did. Yeah, I forgot also Mike Tyson is from out here. pretty cool. I know this guy, Ben Angotti, painted this. It's a really old friend of mine. I like to consider him a good friend, an old friend. He's not really like a street graffiti guy, but he's an amazing artist. Yeah, Mike Tyson. I completely forgot about that. He was from out here. It's funny, this dude popped out of the store. He was cool. I guess because I'm just walking around, I look like a... He's like, yo, where's your skateboard at? You know, it's interesting, there's a lot of these street art walls out here. So I guess whatever organization of street artists, they got some walls out here to try to... I wonder how old those paintings are. It's crazy. So the Brownsville houses. I'm not sure necessarily what neighborhood in Brownsville certain rappers were from. I know Thurston Howell III was from out here. The RZA and Jizza from Wu-Tang Clan, I think they're originally from out here. And Smooth the Hustler. But for some reason, I always thought Smooth the Hustler was from Marlboro houses in Coney Island. I don't know why I thought that. Holy cow, this is truly remarkable. This building is an old school. I explored this building when it was abandoned. This is absolutely insane. You could even see where some of the old tags are still showing on the brick. I mean, this was just like an abandoned building that was abandoned for like 50 years or something. It was just in such bad condition. The floors, I remember I explored just like the stairwell areas, and the floors were so soft. I was by myself. Yeah, I'm gonna... You know, up and down these blocks, there is cool things to see, like weird signage and just strange, unusual old tags and stuff, but on foot it's kind of... if you're trying, it's like one of those things, if you're trying to look, it's gonna be a waste of time. You're not gonna see anything. But it's like, you just have to casually be not trying, and then that's how I found a lot of the stuff I've ever found. But see, there's a Too Mean piece right there. That may be one of his only pieces running in the streets. I know there's a couple tributes around, but all the kind of spots he had like this, they're all gone from what I remembered.
Romancing to the sick.
This is a really great tribute to Sean Price, who was from Brownsville. Mears 1 painted this. Probably they come and they put new candles and stuff. Probably on his birthday. Yeah, he's a great rapper. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you like this video, and I'll catch you on the next video.